Hello everyone, welcome to Tenorshare channel. I believe everyone is used to unlocking iPad with Face, which is easy and pleasant. But after accidentally restarting iPad, it suddenly asks for password. Once restarted, Face unlocking is no longer applicable, and you have forgotten your password. What's worse is that iPad is not connected to the network, so you can't find it through forgot password. Don't worry. Today, I will teach you 2 ways to easily unlock your iPad. Let's take a look. Method 1. Unlock iPad with Tenorshare 4U key. 4U key is an ideal choice when you don't have an internet connection and can't recover your password through Apple ID or the forgot password function. With 4U key, you can unlock your device directly from your computer without worrying about internet access. Steps: connect your iPad to your computer. Open 4U key. Click the blue Start button. Put your iPad into recovery mode according to the software prompts. Just press and hold the power and home buttons at the same time. And release both buttons until the connect to the iTunes or computer logo is displayed on the screen. Download the corresponding firmware according to the software prompts to unlock your iPad. Wait patiently for the download process, which may take about 10-20 minutes, depending on your network. After the download is complete, click Start Remove. Wait patiently for the software to unlock your iPad. Note, unlocking with 4U key may erase all data on the device, so please back up your data before unlocking. Method 2. Reset iPad with iTunes. With iTunes, you can restore the iPad to factory settings, erasing all content and settings, including the passcode. First, connect iPad to computer and put iPad into recovery mode as before. Open iTunes. It will detect your iPad and a pop-up window will appear to prompt you to upgrade or restore. If you don't want to update the system like me, just click Restore. Then download the corresponding firmware according to the prompts. After the firmware download is complete, your iPad will be reset, including your lock screen password, Face ID personal data, and so on. Note, this method will also clear the data on the device. Please make sure that your data is backed up in advance. I recommend you to use 4U key because it is simple to operate, efficient, and supports multiple device models without worrying about complicated technical problems. I hope this video can help you unlock iPad easily. Try it now. Remember to keep your password properly next time to avoid forgetting it. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tutorials. If you have any questions, you can also tell us in the comment area, and we will answer you as soon as possible.